today we're going to discuss about delete or remove list elements. So how to delete or how to remove list elements. So for removing list elements, we have a del keyword. Okay, so in the previous class we discussed about how to add elements or how to update in a list. So now we're going to discuss about how to delete or remove elements, list elements. So we can delete one or more items from a list using keyword del. So it can even delete the list entirely. So we can delete one or few items or elements inside a list, or we can entirely delete the list. So if you see the example here, my underscore list equal to something PROBLEM like that. So delete my underscore list of 2. So what is 2 here? 0, 1, 2. So 2 is O. So O will be deleted. So or we can also delete multiple items using range. Okay. So if you want to delete entire list, so no need to specify any what to say, no need to specify any range or no need to specify which element to be deleted. So if we give the list name, the entire list will be deleted. So we'll see that example. So my underscore list equal to, okay. Okay, so I have taken one list here. So let me print that, print my underscore list. Okay, so my list will be printed here, TNVS Praveen like that. Okay, so now if I say if I want to delete n, so now it will become TVS Praveen. Okay, so now so where is n here? So as far as index is concerned, it is at the first index. Okay, so what I will do, I will use a del keyword. So del my underscore list of, okay, so this is square brackets of 1. So what is my index here? 1. So now print. So print my underscore list. Okay. So if I execute this, so what I get? TVS Praveen. Okay. So now let us delete a range. So del my underscore list. So now I want to delete TVS, that is 0, 1, 2. Okay, so I want to print only Praveen. Okay, so what is my range here? So my range is 0 is to 3. Okay, so print my underscore list. So what I get? I get Praveen. So what is 0 here? So starting from 0th index, that is start. So what is stop here? So stop is 3 in the sense it will take only up to 2. Okay, so 3 is not considered here. So 3 is excluded. Up to 3, up to 2 is included. So 0th index, first index, second index. So what do we have in 0th index? I have T. I have first index. I have V, and the second index I have S. So TVS is deleted, and only Praveen is remaining. So now if I want to delete the entire list, okay, so del my underscore list. Okay, right. So if I execute this, okay, so if I print this, print my underscore list, so you will get an error. So you can see the into mark over here. So undefined name my underscore list. So even though we have not even executed, but we'll get an error here. So if I execute this, so my underscore list is not defined. So why we got that? Why? Because we already deleted the entire list. So there is no other go. We don't have any list here. So in this way, we can delete a single element from a list, or we can delete multiple elements from a list, or we can delete the entire list. So we have 2 more methods called remove and pop. So what does remove method do, and what does pop method do? So we can use remove method to remove the given item. Okay. So remove method is used to remove the given item, or pop method to remove an item at the given index. So if you want to remove an item from the given index, so we can use pop method. So if you want to remove item, you can also use remove method. The pop method removes and returns the last item if the index is not provided. So what does pop method returns? So pop method removes and returns the last item. So what is the last item? It checks for that and it will remove that last item. This helps us implement lists as stacks. That is last in, first in, last out data structure. So we can use a clear method to empty a list. So we can also, there is one more method called clear method. So to empty a list. So if you see the example here, so my underscore list equal to problem. So my underscore list dot remove of p. So here we are not specifying any index. We are simply specifying the item which we are going to remove. Okay, so p. So what happens? P will be removed and remaining is PRPLEN. Okay. So here we'll see that. So my underscore list dot remove of. So what I want to remove here, p. So in my name Praveen, I want to remove p. Now if I print this, I will get RAVEN. So p is deleted here. I got RAVEEN. Okay. So in this way we can remove p. So if you want to remove any particular element in any particular index, then it's better to use pop. So pop method we can provide the index. So index, for example, in my name RAVEN, I want to remove V. So where is V present here? 0, 1, 2 at the second index. So I will use my underscore list dot pop of 2. Okay, so we'll see that. So my underscore list dot pop of. So what I need to provide here? I need to provide the index. So what is my index here? 2. So now print the my underscore list. So if I execute this, what do we get? RAV. V is gone. Now RAWEN. So V is present at the second index. So we are popping out the based on the index. Okay. So if we give only pop, so what happens here? So it randomly. So here I have RBLEM. Okay. So if I use pop, so what is the last one present here? M. So M will be gone. So we'll see that. So what is our last item present here? N. Okay. So my underscore list dot pop up. Okay. So let me print this. So if you see, I will get RAW. So RAW. So N is gone here. So pop always removes the last item which is present in the list. Okay. So this is all about pop. So if you want to clear, so all the items. So at present my list contains RAW. So if I clear this, so the list will be empty. So my underscore. So list will be present, but list will be empty. So clear off. Okay. So now I'll print this. So if you see this, I got a empty list. So all my items or all my elements. So don't get confused. We can call them as items or elements. So all the items or all the elements are removed from the list. Now list is an empty list. Okay. So we can also delete items in list by assigning empty list to a slice of elements. So for example, my underscore list of 2:3 equal to empty list. Now if we print my underscore list, so whatever the elements which we are slicing, we'll get that list. Okay. So if you see that, so my underscore list dot empty. No, sorry, my underscore list of I need to specify. For example, if I say 2:5. So what is 2:5? Start is 2 and stop is up to 4. So 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is VSP. Okay. So what I'm doing here I am assigning it to an empty list. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I'm printing that my underscore list. So print my underscore list. So if you see here, what exactly happens here? So from index 2 to index 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So VSP will be that means we are removing, and we are passing it to an empty list. So if you see what we got, so we got TN RAVEN. So TN RA, that means VSP are sliced out. That means we remove those items. So in this way, we can get the list. Right. So delete the popular syntax is delete list underscore name of index. So we can delete by index, same examples. So this is different examples. For example, if we have years here, if I said delete years of 6, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 1996 will be gone. If you say 1 is to 4, starting from first index and up to third index. Okay, so 1991, 92, 93 will be gone, and we'll get 1990, 94, 95. Okay. So, and we'll start with this reassigning list. Okay, so after this, we have multi-dimensional list. So, multi-dimensional list will make it as a new topic. So, we'll stop with this. So, how to reassign a list? Okay, so reassigning a list in the sense updating a list. Like, for example, if I have Z equal to 3742, so what is present in the first index? The first index 7 is present. So, if you want to reassign a list, so what simply do? I will simply assign a new item into that particular index. Okay, so for example, if I say so my underscore list equal to, if I say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if I want to insert, so my underscore list of, so in the place of 1 index 1, I want to insert 10 equal to 10. Okay, now if I print this, so now the list is reassigned with the new value. So print my underscore list. So if you see 1, 10, 3, 4. So previously it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after reassigning, the new list became 1, 10, 3, 4. So this is reassigning a list. So it's a sort of a updating a list with different values. Okay. So I hope you understood how to delete a list, how to remove elements from a list. So how to remove a single element, how to remove multiple elements. Okay. How to remove the entire list, how to clear the elements present in the list, how to make it as an empty list. Okay, how to reassign a list. So I hope you understood today's topic. The students who are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and please share my videos to your friends and well-wishers, and please support my channel in all possible ways. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.